What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So I have a treat for you guys today, as you can already see by the box in the back. Your treat for today, I'll be installing the HSP hot side. Ouch, that's how I just burnt myself on that sun gun. But we'll be installing the HSP hot side. We already got the intake and a few other things, but completing the kit. First thing first we have to do is drop the fender well. It's about 15 of these T15 screws in here. So we're gonna go ahead and drop that. Time to remove the fender well now. Let's get up in there and see what's going on. Whew, there's dusty up in there. What's holding it? I missed the screw. No worries. Yes worries. It was one more screw back behind the rock light, but we got it out, so let's try to slide this out. And those are the wires to my rock lights. Now this pipe right here is the hot side, and it rolls on up in there. Yes, it's gonna be hectic because I have a lot of rock lights, but we shall get it done. We're gonna start at the top, and I use the deep socket 7/16. I think it fits 11 millimeter. We're gonna loosen that cap up first. And I put a swivel on mine. I heard that it makes it a lot easier, which it does. And slides off like butter. Y'all can see in there. All right, now we're going to the bottom. All right, now, so I'm about to hit the bottom one, and it's back in yonder. So what I'm gonna do is hit it with an extension. I'm not gonna record that part because I mean, you ain't gonna be able to see them be all up in there, and I'm a big guy, so I put the extensions on it. If you follow it down up in there, it seems like it's easier to come from the top. So I'm gonna hit it with the drill. Alrighty, let's see what she wrote. I already got it loose right here, so I guess give it a few tugs. Okay, more than a few. There we go. She is free as Willie. All right, and I think we're gonna take it through the top. Trying to wiggle her free. There's a lot of bends in there. I think deadlifts are easier. This is good. There we go. There we go. Top of daddy. Almost there. And she is free. All right, that's my boy leaving right there. Old cat already out. But we got him out. It wasn't too bad, but just look at the difference. Look at the diameter. Just look at the flow restrictions there. Got the clamps it came with. Just have to figure out which end goes to which. But yeah, oh yeah, these are nice. Check out that quality. Oh yeah, real nice. I was showed to spray a little Windex on there for lubricant. When it heats up, it dries, so it ain't gonna have any effect, but that should slide right on. Come on, baby. The top was a little bit of a fight, but we got it on there. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put the boots on the top and the bottom, and then I'll fish the pipe in, and then we'll try to get it from there. Found out the best way was to fish it through the bottom back up to the top, and we're about to get it suited and booted. And that is all she wrote, guys. Hot side is in. I'll hop down. There she blows. Wasn't too bad, not too shabby.